Welcome to the annual Knoxville Mardi Growl Pet Parade, where you and your pup can run amok, wearing all the latest colorful fashions. Wait a second, is that Goldilocks and the Three Bears? I'm a big dog and I know what I like. I like to dress up and go on a hike. I like dressing up. Me too. What? Is that Buzz Pauldron? Rocket dog, flying out in space out here alone. Everybody now. Oh, and we're back. That was a fast trip. I want to play. Does anybody want to play? Yes, I would also like to play fetch. Yeah, pets. Give me all the belly rubs. What? You got belly rubs? I want belly rubs. Where can you get these belly rubs? I know a guy. Not only do I race, but whoa, runaway dog! The king and queen have arrived.
Why must I be surrounded by all these peasants?
Oh, humans. Where are their leashes? Hey, good times. Knoxville's Mardi Growl. Come on out. Yeah, I'm done. Yes, can I get a few pets, please?